Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to concatenate two strings in JavaScript. So let's get started. The first one that we are going to use, that is called the plus operator. So we have a string 1, string 2, and the result is string 1 plus there is a space, then another string. So let's copy and just run it on the console. Just add it over here, console.log. Here I will add the result, right? If I just go and enter, okay, redeclaration, let me reload this one and then add, you can see that then we are able to concatenate two strings, hello and the world. Moving to the next one, second, that is called using the concat method, right? So this is a string function, basically string concat. So you can use that one also. So let's copy and paste it, and here we need to print the result. Okay, again redeclaration, it will come up. So let's add console.log, that would be result. Here you can see that by this method you can also achieve the same thing using the concat method of the string functions, right? Next we have the using the template literals. You can see that here. So this is the modern JavaScript ECMAScript where we are using the template literals. So I will explain that one also. So here you can see that string 1 is hello world, and this is syntax. Okay, the syntax is you need to adjust curly braces then in the string, and this should be enclosed with the backticks, right? So just let me copy this one, just use this one, okay, rather than declaration of the multiple times. I will use this one and remove this one part and add the let result would be the string 1 and the string 2, and if in the midway I can add concatenate, concat two strings. Okay, if I run in mid of it, it will also print that one. Let's have a look on that. Hello concatenate two string world. Okay, if you want this, just open this one and just remove this one. Okay, in mid of anything, it will be writing it as a string concatenate, right? There's a lead declaration, right? So no issue on that. So to add two strings or concatenate two strings, what we have to do, we will using the template literals, modern JavaScript that we can use one, right? And the next one, that is the last one, that is called the join method, right? So let's have a look on that, how we are going to achieve that one. So you can see that the string is hello and the world. In case such kind of strings you are coming up, right, this array, right? So you want to join it, right? So in that note, you what we can do, we can use the join method to concatenate. Basically it's array, right? You can see that, but it's in wrapped in the strings. Okay, so if you want to make it a single quote, so you can use the strings dot join method. It should help you to concatenate two strings, right? There is a two strings, right? So you can use that one also. Okay, so this is the tutorial on how to concatenate two strings in JavaScript. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you like the video. Have a nice day.